Hi, this is Nate, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with the remodel of the new shop. It's located out in Spokane, Washington. Here are some time-lapse clips of the fabrication shop makeover. We started by getting rid of all the old storage and debris left behind by the last homeowner. I have never done drywall before, so there was a lot of learning involved. Razor knives are extremely sharp. Very excited to make this shop our own. Spending the time to do it right now will hopefully pay off in the end. I think it will look really professional when it's done. I end up taping and mudding up the joints. We then sanded them smooth. I thought we needed a window right here, so I went ahead and added a window. I cut all this out, double checked the measurements with the window, cleaned up a little bit. I ended up framing everything off camera. My battery died and I didn't realize it. Please leave a comment if you see anything funny. I also scraped the floor at this time. I'm laying down a nice industrial coating a friend recommended to me. You can see me try to start this gas-powered leaf blower for like 15 minutes, but I couldn't get it started. I think it was flooded from the way it was sitting. You see it vibrating around on the floor. That's from me trying to start it. The timeouts really didn't pick it up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed.